Okay, so this is gonna be a homelite chainsaw massacre video with two toys running in the foreground. Where do I set you? And that's the good question. Where do I set you? Don't let the blade scare you. If you have chainsaw phobia, you might want to click away. I don't like to let them sing. I guess that's just because I have a hate of two strokes. I let it idle. Oops. That was good. Let's try it again. I'm blowing my arm out for y'all, so like and subscribe, please. If I had a car window to throw this through, I would, but I don't. At least not one I'm confident of. Come on. No, you're gonna. Oh, partial choke. Ow, motherfucker. What was that? Zapped me. It is very smoky, though. Reminds me of my cousin's dirt bike. Damn it. Come on. See, I suck at starting machines. Yeah. Shitty running homelite. It choked itself with its own smoke. I know that. Come on. Oh, the string starts again. This time it's running with no choke. Idling alright, but then it locks itself. And it spits smoke through the carb. So I think it's so damn smoky, it's choking itself. Did you see them clouds? You admit you can't see the clouds. Okay. Come on now. One last start and I'm gonna end it. Damn, that burn. That one burned too. See, I'd have faith he didn't need choke to start. Okay. No more. No more. They're getting better though. Admit that. Oh, shit. 5 minutes? That was the worst 5 minutes of my entire life. Worst song in fucking history. Hot Blooded by Foreigner. I know some of you will think that's wrong, but if you looked up the meaning of the song, it's literally about a guy that sees a chick and he wants her. That's it. I mean, I know that's usually how it happens, but it isn't the jump straight to intercourse. That's what I mean by sees her and wants her. Is jump straight to fucking intercourse. Buddy, I get that this is made in the fucking 80s, but that's not how love works. Sorry. Swing around that corner and skirt in on our way. And we're minty. Let me squeeze my ass off. Ah, my back. Yeah, that'll happen. Then we'll bring this in. You know which one this one is. Sounds like shit. Runs kind of like shit. Sounds like a fucking motorcycle / tractor on low throttle. And the brake oddly works now, but it steers like shit. Okay, I'm gonna be here for a while, tending to the social media. Thanks for watching. Me bust myself out on a stupid chainsaw again.